Hello dear kids, how are you? Like and subscribe my channel. Let's play. There's many animals meeting with each other. They decided to go on picnic on the tractor trolley. Hey, beautiful superhero. The animals go outside for picnic. Hey, we enjoy. Monkey and the white elephant, the lion and the cook and Mickey Mouse go and sit in the trolley. Ah. Hey, quack, 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 quack. Ah. We are going outside from my farmhouse. Lion uncle, look up to the sky. It's a full rainy day. It is raining today. Oh no, rain is come and the animals are dirty. I again loaded them on tractor trolley. Go, 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 go. There ran. Hey, there's raining today, and we are enjoy, and we become neat and clean in the rain. Yeah, there's raining. Every rain come. Yeah, we are enjoy. We are enjoy because the rain is raining since 1 hour. Yeah. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Yeah. The lion. The cook. Quack, 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 quack. And the hen. The cook. And the Mickey Mouse enjoy the party, raining party, raining day party, the lion. Oh, yeah. Now we are go back to our farmhouse. We are come back to our farmhouse. I parked the tractor and the garage. No, sorry. I can't park the tractor in the garage. All animals go into the tractor garage. All animals go into the tractor garage. I park tractor outside the garage. Yeah, now we are safe from the rain and enjoy. We are enjoy to see the clouds.